Listen, if you guys are tired of your crypto ad campaigns getting banned or draining your budget on bot traffic, well, what if I could actually tell you that you could actually target real verified Web3 users based on their actual on chain behavior and wallet history? Right? Pretty cool. Well, here is a premium traffic source the top crypto exchanges are using right now. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As mentioned, I would like to introduce you to what is known as blockchain ads. I want you guys to understand, whenever you log in, the overall process here, it is super simple and easy to understand. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. If we take a look, you guys will see that we do have the dashboard. The first thing that you actually need to do is you need to have a balance. So you need to make sure that you do a deposit. So you guys can see right up here that we do have $10,000 as our current balance. And if you need to do any type of payment, you can see here in the very far bottom left, there is payment. All right. So if you need to do a deposit, or same thing right here, we have deposit, right? So top up your account balance to use blockchain ads. Very important. Now over here, you guys will see we have what is known as create campaign. So we're starting off fresh. Once you officially click that button, you're going to be able to select, or let's say set up your basic campaign details. And then after that, we're going to click save or continue, right? We're going to click next. You guys will see right here, brand awareness, website traffic, downloads, signups. We even have sales deposits, right? So we're going to stick with brand awareness. And then after that, you can see right here, you're going to select a campaign format. So there is many different opportunities here. We have display, native, performance max, HTML5, video, other, right? So we're going to do display to grab attention. Okay. And after that, we're going to click next. All right. So pretty easy and simple. You guys can see right here, this is the web page people would go to after clicking your ad. So you definitely want to make sure that you click something here. Okay. Very important you guys do that, okay? And then after that, you guys, you're gonna be able to navigate. We're gonna talk about this here in a few moments, but you're gonna be able to navigate to the audience and targeting, which is gonna be one of the key factors here, okay? So you guys can see right here, we have campaign name, we have start and end dates, and then after that, you can see right here, budgeting 360, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and click next. And you guys can see right here, automated targeting, it is on. So you can actually switch it to manual, right? You could choose what you would like. So in this case, I want you guys to understand that there's going to be a lot of different things that you can actually choose from. So we have what is known as segments. You're going to be able to choose from 69 private audiences that align with the exact users that you actually want to acquire. So for example, we got blockchain behavior, pre-build segment based on blockchain identity. Okay. So we got like Web3 native, assets, finance. We got gaming and iGaming, tech and SaaS. We got B2B. Scrolling down, you guys will even see right here, we have more, right? Open site interest. And then we even have create new segment, right? So in this case, you're gonna be able to choose a lot. So for example, let's just go ahead and do like this one right here. We can actually click, right? And you can see that we're actually gonna be, trying to go after, we got active wallets, new wallets, whales, holders, multi-chain users, high net worth individuals, right? We can even do assets, right? You can actually click there. We got like stablecoin holders, token holders, as in BTC. We got Sol, ETH, and XRP. So you guys, you're literally going to pick any of these, okay? And you can actually click on each one that you want or ones that you don't want. And you guys can see over here, we got target audience size, so 36 million, daily budget right there, 360. Monthly impressions, that's a massive amount, 250K. 430K. Monthly clicks right there at about 4K to 6.5K. Monthly conversions 96 to 162, which is actually pretty cool. And cost per result, so 66 to $112. Okay? So you guys, this right here is very, very, very important. All right. Now we can click next right here. You guys can see we have what is known as creative. So obviously you can drag and drop a file here or browse, right? And then after that, you can even see that we have what is known as summary. So once you guys understand, I mean, very important and easy, simple, like to understand, right? So once again, you can be specific on who you are targeting, right? So for example, like on-chain activity, such as you can even track like your exact competitor traffic as well, right? Which is actually pretty cool. And yeah, that's literally all you have to do, you guys. And then you're going to be able to publish, all right? Now, I want you guys to understand that whenever it comes to Web3 targeting, it is a proprietary feature from blockchain ads. All right. It actually places ads in front of your ideal audience based on actual wallet activity, right? Or on chain activity, as I showed you, which is actually pretty cool. All right. So remember, you guys, I mean, there is a lot of capabilities here. All right. So, for example, reaching users who hold, let's say, at least 2 BTC, or people who have actively swapped on DEXs like Uniswap in the last 30 days. I mean, it can target all of these different audiences. Okay. Which is very important. All right. So, if you guys aren't aware, I mean, whenever it comes to say like traditional targeting, you guys, it's more of a guesswork and it's based off of demographics, right? In this case, this one is actually targeting, as you guys saw, like different sectors, right? Not only that, like if people have active wallets, if people have funds in their wallets, people are using DEXs, all this stuff. I mean, it is able to target exactly what you were looking for. Okay. So, once again, you guys, the overall dashboard here, I mean, it's very, very, very intuitive. All right. It is very intuitive. It looks great. Okay. It allows you to track performance and adjust your custom segments, which is actually really cool. All right. Not only that, but you can actually build campaigns, okay, to intercept competitor traffic by targeting the wallet addresses interacting with those smart contracts. All right. So just remember, whenever it comes to blockchain ads, you guys, this is the authoritative alternative for media buyers, offering unmatched precision with DeFi and token hoarder segments. All right. So it literally solves the biggest pain points for crypto marketers: platform bans, low conversions, quality, right, and bot traffic. Okay. So it gets you right to your leading crypto ad network for high intent audiences. I mean, this is perfect. Check it out. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. If you are ready to scale your Web3 user acquisition with verified purchase ready audiences, well, click the link down below to actually apply for access to a blockchain ads and start running campaigns that actually convert. Not only that, but be sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and stick around for the next video.